Welcome to the channel. If you enjoy tech insights and helpful tips, please subscribe. Let's begin.
The idea of piercing your own ears at home, perhaps with something as common as a sewing needle, might seem tempting, especially if you're looking to save a few dollars or get a spontaneous new look. However, let's be absolutely clear. You should never attempt to pierce your ears with a sewing needle. This isn't just a recommendation. It's a crucial warning to protect your health and avoid serious complications. A sewing needle is fundamentally unsuitable for body piercing for a multitude of reasons, each carrying significant risks. Firstly, sterilization is virtually impossible in a home environment for a sewing needle. These needles are not manufactured to medical standards. They are designed for fabric, not sterile penetration of human skin. Wiping it with rubbing alcohol or holding it over a flame, common DIY methods, simply isn't enough to kill all bacteria, viruses, and fungi that could be present. Professional piercers use medical-grade, single-use, pre-sterilized needles that come in sealed packages, ensuring a completely sterile environment. Introducing non-sterile equipment into your body is an open invitation for infection. And what kind of infection are we talking about? We're not just talking about a little redness or minor irritation. You risk developing serious bacterial infections like cellulitis, which is a painful skin infection that can spread rapidly, or an abscess, a collection of pus that often requires drainage by a medical professional. In severe cases, an untreated infection can lead to sepsis, a life-threatening response to infection that can cause organ damage and even death. Your ear, particularly the cartilage, is a delicate area with a limited blood supply, making it more susceptible to stubborn infections that are difficult to clear. Beyond infection, consider the physical trauma. A sewing needle is designed to push through fabric, not to create a clean, precise hole in human tissue. It's relatively blunt compared to a professional piercing needle, which is hollow, razor-sharp, and specifically designed to remove a tiny core of tissue, creating a smooth channel for jewelry. A sewing needle will instead tear and damage the tissue as it forces its way through, causing significantly more pain, excessive bleeding, and a higher likelihood of scarring, including unsightly keloids or hypertrophic scars. This tearing also makes it incredibly difficult to insert jewelry smoothly afterward, potentially causing further damage. Furthermore, you lack the anatomical knowledge and precision of a trained professional. Piercing in the wrong spot, especially through cartilage, can lead to long-term pain, nerve damage, or a crooked piercing that will never heal properly and will always look off-kilter. A professional piercer understands the anatomy of the ear, knows how to mark the precise spot, and uses specific techniques to ensure a straight, clean piercing that promotes optimal healing. They also use appropriate jewelry made of body-safe materials, unlike many cheap alternatives that can cause allergic reactions. The potential for blood-borne pathogens is another grave concern. If the needle has been in contact with any contaminated surface or body fluid, even unknowingly, you risk transmitting serious diseases. Is saving a few dollars truly worth the risk of permanent disfigurement, chronic pain, expensive medical treatment, or even a life-threatening illness? Absolutely not. Instead of risking your health, please invest in your safety. Seek out a reputable, licensed professional piercer. They have the sterile equipment, the expertise, and the experience to perform a safe and aesthetically pleasing piercing. Even using a piercing gun at a mall kiosk, while not ideal according to many professional piercers due to blunt trauma and sterilization issues of the gun itself, is still a significantly safer option than a sewing needle. Prioritize your well-being over a misguided attempt at DIY. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like and subscribe for more essential safety tips.